wonderful.
Was I wasn't a tad stiff.
Oh, don't be silly. And you were wonderful too. Especially next to me, you said, "Au revoir."
Come on, you two. Let's go celebrate. I thought it went swimmingly today. You two make an excellent team.
Gravity and ignorance, and raised to the...
So, we have 17 new bookings, my wonderful man.
Terrific. We're all going to be rich and famous.
Thanks to you, Nate.
Thanks to you, buddy. And of course to you, my sweet, for your moral support.
Here. Excuse me. Are you Dr. Bronfman?
Ah, yes. Well, Dr. Edelstein is a...
Interesting.
Now, Dr. Edelstein, what is it we can do?
Well, for starters, you can find your way into that ludicrous lucite case. Not you. Not you.
Look, what is this about? We have no money on the premises. Please, if you're from some little person, or rather, a chondroplasic terrorist group, I want you to know I fully support your call.
I'm beginning to tire of you, Dr. Bronfman.
Surprised, dear heart? This is Lila?
Yes, this is Lila.
Cunt. American and proud of it. The hair's gone, Nathan.
You're beautiful.
Both know what it is to be shunned because of our appearance.
The attempt to...
Amen. Come on.
Du temps que la nature en sa verve puissante concevait chaque jour des enfantements et d'une méchante géante. Comment peut-il rien en chaque volupté?
Oui.
Do you want to touch me, Nathan? Or what?
I think something is wrong with Nathan.
I do think something is wrong with you, Nathan. You have changed. You are moody, you lash out. I feel when you make love to me, you really make love to someone else. He hardly looks at me during our love-making sessions.
I never stop looking at you if you're my girl.
Mother, will you please tell Wayne to stop hitting on my girlfriend?
Maybe you could learn something from your brother about how to treat a woman. Do you no longer love me, or what? Tell me now. Hello, my little boy.
Hey, Ma. Did you bring any clothes? I'm freezing my ass off.
Oui, mais un suit.
Sweet. You know, I've wanted you forever.
Say my name.
Gabrielle.
You remind me so much of Nathan.
Like father, like son.
Plus, so much of my little mongrel doggy.
Let's go eat. I'm starving.
French?
Oui.